Welcome to the Blue Shack. I'm Joe. Today I'm going to be making ring Z70200027. I have the great pleasure and honor of making a wedding band for my nephew Charlie. Charlie, thank you for trusting me with this. I hope to make you a fantastic ring that you will enjoy for a very long time. This ring is going to be made with grade 702 zirconium, and at the end of making the ring it will be blackened. I already have a 1/2-inch hole drilled in the rod. The first thing I need to do is to bore this out to size. Let's get started. I have the ring bored out to the correct size now. I'm going to give the inside edge just a little bit of a bevel to make it more comfortable. Next, I'll be cutting the outside of the ring down to a wall thickness of 2 millimeters. The ring is now to size, both inside and out. Before cutting this ring off, I'm going to sand and polish the inside. I'm going to be using 5 different grits of sandpaper and then polish. This next step is one of my favorite parts of ring making, and that's parting it off. And there it is. That's the beginnings of the ring. Now it's time to take off this big, huge chuck and put on a ring mandrel, get this mounted up and finish it off. The next thing I'm going to do is to remove this burr that was left on there from parting off. Right after that comes off, I'm going to give that inside edge the same bevel that the other side had. Next, I'm going to resurface this outside to make sure it's concentric with the lathe, and then I'll be cutting notches on either side. I'll kind of do that all in the same step. This step is giving the ring its final shape. Charlie, I think it's coming along nicely. It's got its shape, and the next thing to do is to sand it all up and polish it, make it really shiny before going on to the next step. It's getting close to being done. Time to take it over to the bench sander and put some facets on it. Time to make some sparks. Well, I'm pretty pleased with how it's coming out. Last thing to do is to clean it up and go set it on fire. That's what I'm going to do next. Charlie, I hope you like this ring as much as I enjoyed making it. It is truly a privilege and an honor. Thank you for trusting me with this. This is ring number Z70200027 from the Blue Shack. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you next time.